What's up, YouTube? ManLion here with a box from Shirtpunch. Alright. I honestly don't remember what this is. I think it's the Dead King Bundle. Dead King Bundle. There you go, sorry. Alright. But I don't remember what else is in here. That could just be it. Just the one bundle. There we go. Up close and personal with me cutting that box open. There's more to be cut open. Now it is all cut open. Let's peek inside. Alright, I'm gonna stop that before I get out of control. Oh my goodness. Alright, so what to do first? Here, I'll go with what's not the Dead King Bundle. Okay, now I can't remember what came with it. Okay, so this little add-on. This is actually in a nerd block. It is a hashtag nerd block keychain. But a little blaster. Like the one that Han Solo has. Don't remember what that's called, but that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Alright. I think that was an add-on for like $1 or something. Can't beat that. Pretty sweet. And, yes. Those are definitely Pikmin. Let's see. Oh my, I think this gets way better. Hold on, let me make this a surprise. It's gonna be a surprise. Ta-da! Pikmin meets Mario. Well, really meets man-eating flower out of a tunnel tube. Whatever those things are called for Mario. Pikmin running to it, about to be eaten. Oh my. Question marks, exclamation marks. Those marks. That's a pretty dope shirt, actually. Alright. Did I get this one on my size? This better be for me. That it is. Alright. Nice. That was a mystery grab. That was $4.99 for that bad boy right there. Pretty sweet. Okay. Did I do 2? Quite possibly had done 2. Let me make this other one a surprise. This was for the fiancé. I don't know if I told her I was getting this. What did she get? Simba from the Lion King. Pretty cool. A lot of their shirts are mashups. This one isn't, but it's, I mean, still pretty awesome. I mean, you figure a Disney shirt's usually not going to sell for $5. Man, every time I get something from this place, I just get more and more happy. Alright. So those were the 2 mystery grab bags. Now let's get into the Dead King Bundle. Number 1. Khal Drogo from Game of Thrones. Legacy Collection. He is number 10. It was literally like every weapon he ever used. Nice. Alright. And the box is like fine. Nothing wrong with that box at all. Next up, Dun, 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 dun. Rob Stark. The man who met his untimely demise at the Red Wedding. With a sword. There you go. There you are. And then got a little mystery mini. I'll show you that where I surprise you with this shirt from the Dead King Bundle. I think this whole bundle was 20 or 25 bucks. It's got the two reaction figure, well, not reaction figures, I'm sorry, two Legacy Collection figures, which are super highly detailed. A mystery mini. And a shirt. Oh my. Is that Jon Snow from the Knights of the Old Republic? Yes, it is. Daenerys. And pretty sure that would be the... Oh, no, that is Bronn and Tyrion. Cool. First I thought it was the Hound and Arya, but no, I'm pretty sure that's Bronn and Tyrion. There's the wall in the background. Little baby dragons. Daenerys, Jon, and the Night King overlooking. That is pretty epic and awesome. Good job, Shirtpunch. Now, for the real fun, let's see what mystery mini I have gotten. All the possibilities. All the possibilities. And like always, looking for the ultra rares done here. Look for the super rare and glow versions. Let's get a super rare. Or this glowing Night King would be pretty cool because he's on the... well, that's not the Night King, but a Walker. White Walker, you know what I mean. But I do have a glow-in-the-dark Night King Funko Pop. And it would go pretty cool sitting right next to him. Without further ado, let's open this up. No shaking. No guessing. Let's just go right to it. Did I just take out... okay, hold on. I got like half the bag open. But it wasn't open. Oh, it's super tiny. What do we get here? Oh, a little Tyrion. A little Tyrion. Very nice. Okay. And Tyrion is 2 and 24, so he's actually one of the easier ones to get. Well, the easiest statistic for getting him. Either way, Tyrion mini, Funko Pop, 2 legacy figures, Khal Drogo and Robb Stark. Awesome t-shirt. 20 or 25 bucks, I can't remember. 2 grab t-shirts, $5 a piece. Blaster keychain for $1. Can't beat that. Good job, Shirtpunch. Leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And then there's a little thing from Nerd Block because... oh, what's that? Subscribe today and you'll get a 15% discount off your first month. Just use the promo code Nerdy Stuff. Look at that. You're welcome, YouTube. Tell me how much you love me in the comments. Subscribe. Have a good day. ManLion out.